What's happening, guys? We're back here again today for another video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. So we're obviously coming up on the end of the year here for 2022, so I thought it would be a great time to do a 2022 year-end recap video. So without further ado, let's get to it. About to pass the torch to the Project S6, man. How you feel right now?
Feeling pretty good, man.
You pretty hyped?
Pretty hyped. Really glad you're able to also kind of throw in an extended warranty, 40,000 miles, front to rear axle. Dude, really appreciate it, man.
Oh my God! Okay.
Really appreciate the opportunity, man. You know I'm gonna take care of her.
It's good from the standpoint of an enthusiast, obviously, to rest assured that it's going to a good home, man. Where definitely be well looked after and thoroughly enjoyed. So that's right. She's all yours, man.
Thanks, man. I'll take care of her. You know I will.
That's gonna be fun for you, man.
Yeah, man.
Definitely enjoy that power, but you know what? In the words of Uncle Ben, with great power comes great responsibility.
That's right, man. Like Rick Grimes says, no more kid stuff. Moving on to the big boy.
Yeah. It's pretty well established at this point. The B58 is an absolute powerhouse of an engine. Even with basic bolt-ons tuning, the sky is really the limit when it comes to the B58. There's so much you can do with these cars. BMW designed the B58 to make some serious power, and that's absolutely what this car is here to do. As you guys can see behind me, we've got this massive box containing an AWE touring exhaust system for the F30 340i. Gotta say, this exhaust is looking pretty good so far, guys, but I really cannot wait to listen to what it sounds like once we actually get it installed on the car. So guys, we are here today at CES Motorsports getting ready to tune our F30 340i with MHD Stage 1. I'm super fired up, guys. The car makes pretty solid power out of the box. As you guys know, with that B58, we definitely have a lot of room for improvement as far as an increase in performance. So without further ado, let's get it.
So we'll flash it now because I did the option for the stock downpipe. So we'll get that flashed in there. This is what you do, you just map right. Make sure the car is on, and it should be a quick flash.
Awesome, man. Well, hey, I appreciate all your help today, sir.
Not a problem.
Thank you much.
Over here.
Now we just got to take it for a drive and see how it does.
Yeah, see how it feels. Yeah. Lift it out.
Oh my gosh, that is so much quicker. Just that immediate throttle response is like overwhelmingly better than stock. Wow. Alrighty guys, we are back here again today for another installment in our Project F30 340i build series. On today's video, guys, we're going to be putting our MHD Stage 1 340i on the dyno to see exactly what we're looking at as far as wheel figures. So on our first run, we managed to put down 355 wheel horsepower and 383 wheel torque. Again, MHD Stage 1 on 93. Not bad. Pretty decent power overall, considering we're basically working with a stock car that has nothing more than an AXLEBACK and a Stage 1 tune. We are here today at CES Motorsports getting ready to install XHP transmission software on the F30 340i. So as you guys saw recently, went MHD Stage 1, very well satisfied with the performance thus far. So without further ado, let's get started.
Ignition on, you have an 8-speed. Turn this off. These are your maps. You have Stage 1. So Stage 1, added gear display in D mode. It removes your torque limiters and raised line pressure mapping for high input torque. Then you've got Stage 2, the same stuff, but it's got reconfigured logic, basically like M-car shifting.
Let's go ahead and bump up to Sport Plus and see what we got here. Dude, Sport Plus hits different, man. That is outrageous. completed our downpipe installation, guys. Went ahead and flashed the car with MHD Stage 2, 93 octane. Getting ready to take a drive. We're gonna see how it does. Pretty excited. So you may be asking yourself, what's the verdict on Stage 2? Well, if you got a B58, downpipe Stage 2, grab your XHP flash tool. I think you got the perfect balance right there. And I really think this serves as a fantastic package for a daily driver. Anybody out there with an F-Series BMW, this is definitely the right package, man. I would say go for it. So you guys may know our BMW 340i is an X-Drive equipped model. So the first thing we're gonna do is install the XDELETE flash tool so we can go ahead and disable all-wheel drive to convert the vehicle into rear-wheel drive so we can safely operate it on a two-wheel drive dyno jet. As you can see, successfully have flashed our XDELETE, so it looks like we're now dealing with a rear-wheel drive car. So basically the next thing we do, right, is just take it for a spin just to make sure that we are definitely 100% in rear-wheel drive, because that's the last thing you want, guys, is to put the car in the dyno. You got a four-wheel drive car, two-wheel drive dyno, it's definitely where catastrophe can ensue.
Oh yeah.
Wet pavement, we were able to confirm that we are in fact in rear-wheel drive, so we can go ahead and proceed with the dyno. There it is, guys. Looking at 401 wheel and 450 pound-feet of torque. Not bad. So I'm gonna say that was a successful dyno day, man. Very straightforward, respectable power, you know, right at that 400 wheel mark. I mean, I'm happy with that, just for a reliable
Stage
daily
2,
driver.
OTS tune.
Pump gas, 93. That's really all you need, man. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the year-end recap video montage. Thank you again for all the continued support. We've got a lot of exciting projects coming up here very soon for 2023. Once again, I appreciate everyone's continued support. Thank you guys as always. Be sure to leave a comment down below, like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.